Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make the Rome Colosseum. We will delve into the construction process, starting with its initial planning and the selection of materials. This iconic amphitheater, a marvel of ancient engineering, took many years to build. Its construction began under Emperor Vespasian, utilizing a vast workforce and innovative techniques. Understanding its creation reveals the incredible capabilities of Roman builders, leaving a lasting legacy for centuries. The Romans mastered the use of innovative materials and construction techniques. Their revolutionary concrete, known as opus caementicium, provided incredible strength and durability, allowing for the creation of massive structures. Travertine limestone, quarried nearby, was essential for the Colosseum's impressive facade and primary supports. Additionally, a sophisticated system of arches and vaults was employed to effectively distribute the immense weight, ensuring the amphitheater's long-term stability. The Colosseum's design was a triumph of ancient engineering, meticulously planned for both grandeur and functionality. Its distinctive elliptical shape, spanning 189 by 156 meters, was optimized to accommodate over 50,000 spectators. An ingenious network of 80 arched entrances, along with ramps and staircases, ensured efficient crowd flow. Furthermore, the arena floor featured a sophisticated drainage system, allowing it to be flooded for spectacular naval battle reenactments. The construction of the Colosseum was a monumental undertaking, requiring the coordinated effort of thousands of skilled artisans, engineers, and laborers. This massive project took approximately 8 to 10 years to complete, a remarkable feat for its time. Upon its inauguration by Emperor Titus, the Colosseum hosted 100 days of games, captivating the Roman populace. Today, it remains an enduring symbol of Roman ingenuity and a testament to their unparalleled architectural and engineering capabilities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.